You want me to take a picture? Okay. Ready? It's going. What are you doing? Alright, let's try to finish this pumpkin. Let's work on your back.
So you guys are going to start getting the stuff together?
You go, Dad. Okay. Could you bring my drink out, honey? Alright, let's do your bat.
I don't want to do my bat.
You don't want to do your bat?
No.
Is it a bat or is it a dragon?
It's a dragon.
It's a dragon? Do you want to work on your dragon?
This?
There we go. Much better. Now I can see you paint your pumpkin. Let's see. I like dragon over there. C R A.
I want a drink.
You want a drink? Alright, I'll be right back.
Are you a monster? Yeah, I am. You want to play with us and do something? What do you want to do? You want to help me pick my pumpkin? You want to play or something? Are you a scary monster? Sonic Duck? Why are you walking slowly?
Who are you talking to, Ty?
I didn't talk to that. Go, Dylan. What do you want to do?
How's the pumpkin coming? Hey, Sky, let's go in the house. Let's go do something.
What?
Come on, Sky, let's do something.
Why?